Okay, so what we got here is a BMW M4 2015 installed with Factory-Style Reverse Camera. So as you can see, that's the camera there, nice and small, on the original NBT screen of the BMW. So the car used to come with the sensors only, so as you can see, you got the sensors there showing, so no reverse camera. So now when you put it into reverse, you get the reverse camera come up nice and clear. Your sensors get displayed on the top right corner there, and also is the full moving guidelines. This is car dependent, so not every vehicle will get it. And you still have access to your original sensors there as well. So if you want this retrofitted on your BMW M4, see the link down below. Thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe.